you're new to growing food, it can be a little bit overwhelming to figure out what crops you should start with. So here are 5 really easy to grow crops that are great for beginners. First things first, everyone should have salad in their garden. Salad leaves like lettuce and mizuna are really easy to grow. Essentially, you just need to sprinkle them onto the surface of the soil. Thing to remember, don't let them get too hot or they won't germinate. But other than that, unless you're sowing right in the middle of summer, you're going to be fine. When you're harvesting your salad, you can just keep picking leaves off. You don't need to be cutting whole salad heads. So you've basically got cut and come salad leaves and it will keep giving you salad over a really long time. If you like beetroot, it is a great crop to grow. You've got 2 ways you can approach it. You can grow it in module trays, in little groups, and then plant it out, or you can just sow it direct as long as you don't have a problem with mice and pigeons. And after that, it will basically take care of itself. Courgettes are super easy to grow. The plants, from when you sow the seed, once they germinate, grow so fast they will almost overwhelm you. So leave it late in the season to germinate them and they will give you loads and loads and loads of courgettes. Be careful of planting too many plants because you can get overwhelmed with a huge glut of them. They're that easy to grow. Beans are a brilliant choice for every garden, and if you're clever, you can get 2 harvests from them. So if you choose a bean that's good for drying, and we've got a fair few in the range, then you can have the best of both worlds. So you can pick them when they're young, and then you've got like a green bean, a kind of French bean that you can eat when it's young and tender, or you can let it mature. Basically requires 0 effort. You let it semi-dry on the plant, and then you've got a bean that you can store and use for cooking in winter. And beans come in all shapes and sizes, but they're all really easy to grow. So you've got climbing beans, you just plant it next to a trellis or an arch and it's going to do its own thing. Or you can get dwarf beans where they don't require any support at all. You just put them in the ground or sow them in a module tray and plant out. And then after that, they'll take care of themselves. Now, I would recommend for every single grower that you embrace tomatoes. They are a fantastic crop. They are my favorite thing to grow, and they are a hugely rewarding crop for any garden because you can, with a few plants, become almost self-sufficient on tomatoes. So it's a whole crop that you stop buying from the shops entirely. Now, tomato plants do require a little bit of care, and we've made a whole set of videos for you to help you do that, from early stage propagation to pruning and understanding that. But if you take a little bit of time just to learn the few tricks that tomatoes require, it is well worth it. So we have a huge range within all those 5 categories on our website. Really exciting varieties to really spark your imagination. So check out our range on shegrowsveg.com and see what gets you excited about growing.